Yes. Now the next question is a pen stand made wood is in the shape of cuboid with four conical depressions. See, four conical depressions are there. Okay, to hold pens. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 3.5 centimeter. The radius of each of the depressions is 0.5 centimeter and the depth is 1.4 centimeter. Find the volume of wood in the entire stand. You have to find volume of wood. For that, what to do? First of all, this one cuboidal, your wooden stand, it is pen stand, and here four holes are there, just like four holes. Length, breadth and height is given to you. What is length? 15 centimeter, breadth 10 and height 3.5. Length, breadth and height. All three things are given to you. Okay, so what to do? You have to mark it what is L, B and H. This is for cuboid, and radius of that conical depression, it is given to you 0.5 centimeter, and depth is here 1.4 centimeter depth. It means height is given to you. What we have to find out? Volume of wood after four depressions. Okay, so what will be remaining volume of wood is volume of cuboid minus 4 into volume of cone, because 4 why it is? Because four depressions are there. And which type of depressions? Conical depressions. Okay, now the next question is what? Sir, what is volume of cuboid? That you all know, volume of cuboid is L into B into H. And what is volume of cone? 1 upon 3 pi r square H. Okay, now this time height of cone is capital H, no? Now I am putting the values 15 into 10 into 3.5 minus 4 into 1 upon 3, value of pi is this 0.5 into 0.5 and into h is 1.4. So this is 15 into 35 here, and here is what? See, I am trying to solve, simplify. This is 0.25, no? This is upon 100 and 1.4 upon 10. Okay, like this you have to solve. Now 7 1 are 7, 7 2 are 14. Okay, 25 1 are 25, 25 4 are 100, and this 4 to this 4 cut. Okay, now what is the multiplication? 15 5 are 75, 5 it is 7, 45 and 7 52. This is 525. And what will come, just you see? This will be 22 2 are 44. 44 upon 44 upon 30. If I cut 22 upon 15. Okay, if 22 upon 15, what will be? Let me see. 15 1 15. Okay, this is 7 point. 15 4 60. 10 and one more if we take 0. 15 6 are 90. 15 6 are 90. So for 525 minus 1.46. Okay, then come on, what will be? This is 525 minus 1.46, so 1.46. 10 minus 6 4, 9 minus 4 5, then 4 minus 1 3, 523.54 centimeter cube. This is volume of wood taken out to make four cavities, four conical cavities. This is your answer. Come on the next question. A vessel in the form of inverted cone, its height is 8 centimeter and radius of the its top it is given to you, which is open. Cone's top is open. Its radius is 5 centimeter. And what is given? Other thing, it is filled with water up to the brim. The top of it is filled with water. Okay. When lead shots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 centimeter. This is spherical lead shot. I am putting the lead shot inside it. Okay. Are dropped into the vessel. 1/4 of the water flows out. Water comes out when I am putting some lead shots inside. Then it is given 1/4 of water is flows out. Then find the number of lead shots dropped in the vessel. How many lead shots are dropped into the vessel? And I am getting how much water out? 1/4 of water flows out. Okay, it means what will be the number of lead shot you have to find out. Then how many number of lead shots are there? How much water comes out? 1/4 of volume of cone. Okay, and what is the volume of one lead shot? Lead shot is in which shape? This is in spherical shape. Okay, shots are only in spherical shape. Radius is given to you. Radius of sphere also I know. That is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. See here. 1 upon 4 is 1 upon 4 as it is. Volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Okay, and what is the volume of lead shot? It is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. So what to do? I have to simplify first this formula. Then after I have to put this value. This is very simple one. Okay. Come on. See this 3 to 3 gone. This pi to pi gone. Then in numerator r square h is there. In denominator what is? This 4 and 4 multiply. 4 4 are 16 r cube. So what is radius of capital R is what? 5 into 5. What is the radius? Height of the cone is your 8. Okay, upon 16. What is small r? That is 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. This is 10. Remove. This is 10. And remove. This is 10. After simplification, easily you can get the answer. You simplify it yourself. I am simplifying here. Okay, this 5 to 5 cut. This 5 to 5 cut. This 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. Okay, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2. 10 tens is what? 10 tens are 100. The number of lead shots will become 100 and this is your answer. Yes, now the next question is, a solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 centimeter and base diameter is given to you 24 centimeter. One iron pole is there, two cylinders are there. One cylinder height is given to you 220 centimeter and its base diameter is given to you 24 centimeter. If diameter is 24 centimeter, then radius will be 12 centimeter. Radius is 12 centimeter here, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter and radius is 8 centimeter. Height is given to you 60 centimeter of the small cylinder and its radius R2 is given to you 8 centimeter directly. Okay, find the mass of the pole. You have to find this mass iron pole. This total mass you have to find out. How can you find out? What is given? One clue. It is given that 1 centimeter equal to 8 gram of mass. Okay, whatever volume will come, you have to multiply by 8. Okay, you will get answers in grams. And take value of pi 3.14, it is compulsory. Okay, whatever information given to you, what we can do? Here is, you have to find volume of this big pole, big cylindrical pole and volume of small cylindrical and pole and you have to add this. But condition is what? What is the volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Okay, if I have big cylinder, I am taking pi r1 square h1. If I have small cylinder, I am taking pi r2 square h2. Okay, if I take pi outside, then what will come? If I take pi outside, then r square h1 plus r1 square h1 plus r2 square h2. Put values here. Pi value is 3.14. Then r1 square, r1 is 12 square, no? 12 square h1. h1 is what? 220 plus r2 square. r2 is what? 8. 8 square. And h2 is what? 60. Okay. Then 3.14. This is 144 into 220 plus 64 into 60. Okay. Then see here 3.14. If you multiply it, then what will come? 31680. Okay. Plus, and 64 into 60, this will be 384. 384. And 10 will come. Okay, this is this. Then, if you add this, then what will come? See, 0, 8 plus 4, 12, 2, 1, 7, this is 8 and 1, 9, 9 and 6, 15, 5, 1, 3 and 1, 4, 4 and 1, 5, this is 35520. Okay, and if you multiply it, you will get 111532.8. Okay, if you remove this, 111532.8 centimeter cube. Okay, but what you have to find? You have not to find volume, you have to find its mass. Okay, mass of the pole. Mass of iron pole. Volume is given to you this. You have to multiply by 8. You will get answers in grams. What will be the answer? 892262.4 grams. If you multiply it, this you will get. You can convert in kilograms because too much grams are there. So 3 decimals you can shift. So 892.2624 kg. This is your answer. Come on the next question. A solid consisting of right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius is given to you 60 centimeter, standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter, is placed upright in a right circular cylinder which is full of water. This is a solid which is made up by two solids. One is hemisphere and other one is cone. One is cone, this is the hemisphere. And what is given? Cone's height is given to you. Height of the cone is 120 centimeter. Directly it is given to you. Okay. Radius 60 centimeter. It is given to you 60 centimeter. And hemisphere radius is also given to you 60 centimeter. Total height is given to you of that 180 centimeter. Now come on here. Full of water such that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder if the radius of cylinder is 60 centimeter and its height is 180 centimeter. Okay, radius of cylinder is also given to you 60 centimeter. So this solid you are immersing in water. When you immerse it, some water comes out. And what they are asking how much water is left. So what to do? You have to find volume of cylinder and you have to subtract. What you have to subtract? This volume of this solid. And this solid is consists of, already I told you, it is made by two solids, which one is hemisphere and one is cone. Okay, so you have to subtract it. Take out its volume and subtract it. So volume of water left into the cylinder, this will be equal to volume of water in the cylinder minus volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Separately, you take out its volume at last we have to subtract. So what is volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. Volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h. And volume of hemisphere that is what? 2 upon 3 pi r cube. See here, pi r square h minus 1 upon 3 pi r square h plus 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, then I am trying to put the values. Pi is pi, don't, after at last we will put the value of pi. R is 60, that we know. Here I have taken R is 60. And what is H? H is your 180. Height of cylinder is H, capital H. Minus to minus here, 1 upon 3 pi. R is 60. Okay, this is 60 square. H is 120 for cone. Height is 120 for cone. Okay, now then, plus 2 upon 3 pi r cube. 2 upon 3 is here. 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Pi r cube 60 cube. Okay, then pi 3600. 60 square is 3600 into 180 minus 1 upon 3 pi 60 square 3600 into 120 plus 2 upon 3 pi this. Getting? Now then, you have to multiply. Multiply this 36 into 18. This is 648,000 pi. You can cut 3 4s are 12. 36 4s are 144 000. 1 2 3 then pi. 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. 3 7s are 21. Okay, and 3 2s are 6. And 72,000 into 2, 144,000 pi. Okay, here 648,000 pi minus 144 plus 144, 288,000 pi. Now see again. 648,000 pi minus 288,000 pi that you have seen. After subtraction, what you will get? When you subtract it, you will get 36, then 4 zeros will come. Okay, pi centimeter cube. Okay, then we have to put the value of pi. What is value of pi is 361234 zeros and value of pi 22 upon 7. I know that 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 upon 100 into 1 upon 100 into 1 upon 100 meter cube. Now what I am going to do, I am simplifying 1 2 3 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4 zeros. Then what will come? 36 into 22 upon 700 meter cube. Okay. When you divide it, at last you will get 1.1314 meter cube, and this is